A lot of the newer iPhones have this camera button, but how do you actually use it? I've been pretty disappointed with this, to be honest, but I'll show you how it works. First, and maybe the best thing you can do with it, is to open the camera. Press the button, and the camera app opens. Press again, and it'll take a picture, or press and hold, and it'll take a video clip. The sort of tricky thing with this button is that there's two ways to press it. Hard press takes a picture, but you can also lightly press it to access the camera controls. One light press opens the last used setting, and a light double tap opens the full controls menu. Then you can slide up or down to cycle between the options, and light press to select something. Generally speaking, I'm good with cameras, but I struggle with this button a lot. Half the time it doesn't register what I'm trying to do, or it does something else. I think the main idea here is that you could hold your phone from the edges, sort of like a real camera, and access all the settings without letting go of your grip. The problem is, I think all this is way easier and faster to do it straight from your screen, just like we've always done it on iPhones. I do like having a dedicated button to quickly open my camera, but when it comes to changing any of the camera settings, I just find it way easier to do it using the touchscreen controls within the camera app. The controls are larger and everything is just a lot more responsive. What do you guys think? Am I missing something here, or is the camera button just kind of hard to use? Maybe it's just me, but if I need to quickly change my settings, it's so much quicker to do it on the screen like this. I really wanted to like the camera control button. I spent a lot of time trying to master it, but eventually I decided it's not for me. Hope that helps. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.